changing weather conditions are a big reason garden planning is important. Picture 1 is our temporary mini greenhouse covered in snow by blizzard conditions. Picture 2 is the temporary mini greenhouse we constructed in mid-autumn in anticipation of winter snow. We simply repurposed garden materials to build the greenhouse. As the weather changes, we will repurpose the materials again as needed. This is a technique our indigenous ancestors used to build. It was a cycle of constructing, deconstructing, and reconstructing. We usually don't get blizzards in the DC area, but we must make it a practice of planning for the worst possible weather, within our power, of course. This article was written by Daku Akabo wa Akatsu.